Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can genuinely transform how small businesses operate: cloud-based VoIP. If you're still relying on traditional phone lines or even just your cell phone, you might be leaving a lot of benefits on the table. So, let's break down why switching to a cloud VoIP solution is a smart move for your small business. First up, let's talk about cost savings. Traditional phone systems often involve expensive hardware, installation fees, and ongoing maintenance. With Cloud VoIP, you significantly reduce these upfront costs. You're essentially paying a predictable monthly subscription, which is fantastic for budgeting. Plus, calls between your company's locations or remote employees are often free, and international calls are usually much cheaper than traditional rates. Next, and this is a big one for small businesses, is scalability and flexibility. As your business grows, adding new phone lines or features with a traditional system can be a headache and an expense. Cloud VoIP, however, lets you easily add or remove users with just a few clicks. Opening a new branch? No problem. Hiring seasonal staff? Simple. Plus, it empowers your team to work from anywhere. All they need is an internet connection, and they can make and receive calls as if they were in the office. And that brings us to advanced features that level the playing field. Cloud VoIP isn't just about making calls. It's a complete communication suite. Think about features like virtual receptionists, call forwarding, voicemail to email transcription, video conferencing, and even integration with your CRM software. These are enterprise-level tools that become incredibly accessible and affordable for even the smallest businesses, helping you present a more professional image. Finally, let's consider reliability and disaster recovery. What happens if there's a power outage or a physical issue at your office? A traditional system could go down, but with Cloud VoIP, your phone system is hosted in secure data centers. If your office is inaccessible, calls can be seamlessly rerouted to mobile phones or other locations, ensuring you never miss an important client call. That peace of mind is invaluable. So to recap, cloud-based VoIP offers cost savings, incredible scalability and flexibility, a suite of advanced professional features, and enhanced reliability. It's a modern communication solution designed to help your small business thrive in today's dynamic environment. If you're a small business owner looking to streamline your communications, reduce costs, and empower your team, it's definitely time to look into Cloud VoIP. Have you made the switch already? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.